Hi everyone. A new breed of Honda Tourer makes its debut. Taking the heart of the CRF1100L Africa Twin as a starting point, the Honda A&T 1100 builds on the platform to offer comfortable, agile, enjoyable performance. A low seat height and sharp steering geometry combine with high-specification suspension to create a sporting package. 5-way height and angle adjustable screen and upper-lower wind deflectors ensure high-speed aero efficiency and outstanding weather protection. Cruise control is standard, as are slim panniers and heated grips. Rider aids include 3 default riding modes, 2 user custom options, Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and Wheelie Control. Radial mount 4-piston front calipers provide the braking power, 120 to 70 to 17 and 180 to 55 to 17 front and rear tires the grip. A 6.5-inch TFT touchscreen rounds out a premium specification and features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. In a motorcycling landscape full of adventure-style bikes, there is a gap. And that gap exists for riders that desire performance, handling, long-range comfort, and technology but not necessarily the image or physical dimensions of adventure. In other words, what they want is a straightforward touring machine, but one with a rich specification list and a sporty edge to its performance, the sort of bike that deals with the weekday commute efficiently and usefully and is also ready for an extended tour, fully loaded. The 2022 Honda A&T 1100 is precisely that bike. A new breed of Honda Tourer, it's designed to draw those with a long memory of similar Honda machines of the past, but also attract a much younger rider. Employing the frame and characterful twin-cylinder engine of the CRF1100L Africa Twin as a base, engaging performance is assured. But it's also packed with features that build and broaden any motorcycle's appeal. Comfortable, agile, enjoyable. The A&T 1100 in a nutshell. Sleek, subtle styling delivers efficient aerodynamic performance with a riding position tailored for touring. Screen height and angle are 5-way adjustable and upper and lower wind deflectors also work to protect the rider. A TFT touchscreen provides full-color, customizable displays and offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Cruise control, heated grips and sizable integrated panniers are standard equipment. The A&T 1100 steel semi-double cradle frame employs a relatively short wheelbase and sharp steering geometry while suspension is via 43mm Showa cartridge-type inverted front forks and single-tube rear shock. Rear spring preload adjusts hydraulically. Dual 310mm front discs are paired with 4-piston radial mount calipers. It also features full-fat performance from the twin-cylinder engine, inherited from the Africa Twin, but with intake and exhaust tuned for super smooth acceleration and a pleasing low RPM sound. The performance does not come to the detriment of fuel economy. The engine's efficiency allows a 400 km range from the 20-liter fuel tank. The electronic package includes 3-level Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, Wheelie Control, full LED lights, self-canceling indicators and emergency stop signals. And finding a natural home in the A&T 1100, Honda's 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT, is an option. Styling is subtly sophisticated with straightforward surfaces that emphasize key character lines. Dynamic elegance front to back are the defining features of the design language of the A&T 1100. And of course this motorcycle's sleek form is also about function, aimed to elevate the quality of the riding experience. Fitted as standard, upper and lower deflectors provide wind and weather protection around arms and lower body. The screen offers 5-stage adjustment for height and angle through a total 164mm between the high-low position. Set low, it sends air around the shoulders, set high it moves air over the rider's helmet. Heated grips are standard equipment, as is cruise control. The rider integrates into the machine neatly, enveloped by the protection offered by the fairing. A wide, thick seat material offers a luxurious expanse for 2, seat height is set at 820mm. A large grab rail for the passenger extends from the rear rack. The exhaust muffler, too, is set low to maximize pannier volume. And it's the standard fit, detachable panniers that are one of the A&T 1100's key features. Deliberately designed to be as slim as possible for around-town riding, they are just 901mm across at their widest point. The premium specification is rounded out by full LED lights, with DRL, self-canceling indicators and emergency stop signals. Practicality is further elevated by USB socket, center stand and ACC socket as standard. The 2022 Honda A&T 1100 will be available in the following color options: Matte Iridium Gray Metallic, Pearl Glare White, Graphite Black. The A&T 1100's underpinnings are well proven and tough, The Africa Twin CRF1100L steel semi-double cradle frame and bolt-on aluminum subframe. To suit the all-round, sporting purpose of the A&T 1100, the off-road-ready suspension of its sibling has been replaced by road-focused equipment matched to sharper steering geometry. The 43mm Showa cartridge-type inverted front forks feature 150mm travel and are preload adjustable. Like the forks, the single-tube pressurized Showa rear shock offers 150mm axle travel. It uses a 14mm diameter rod. To make carrying a pillion and/or luggage easier, spring preload adjusts hydraulically and remotely. The wheels are aluminum, fine die-cast with a sand core allowing a hollow hub center for the front. An intersecting spoke design, with the spokes attaching to the rim diagonally, offers several benefits. It smooths road vibration in a straight line and offers high rigidity for cornering. Tires are sized 120/70/17 front and 180/55/17 rear. Wheelbase is set at 1,535 mm, with rake and trail of 26.5 degrees 108 mm and 175 mm ground clearance. KERB weight for the A&T 1100 with manual transmission is 238 kg, 248 kg with DCT. Dual 310 mm front discs are squeezed by lightweight, 4-piston radial mount calipers. The rear 256 mm disc uses a 1-piston caliper. All braking is ABS controlled. The Honda A&T 1100's 1084cc CHC 8-valve parallel twin-cylinder engine is the well-proven units from the CRF1100L Africa Twin, with peak power of 75 kW at 7,250 revolutions per minute and 104 Nm at 6,250 revolutions per minute peak torque. Compression ratio is identical at 10.1:1. Another shared feature is the 270 degrees phased crankshaft and uneven firing interval. Throttle-by-wire, (TBW), provides engine management, and PGM5 feeds the throttle bodies. Where the engine tune differs to the Africa Twin, and immediately noticeable to the rider, are the optimization of both air intake duct length and muffler internals to produce a pleasing, low RPM throb and smooth, powerful acceleration married to relaxed highway cruising. Perfect for the wide-ranging duties the A&T 1100 is built for. The crankcases are split vertically and the water pump is housed within the clutch casing with a thermostat integrated into the cylinder head. Manual and DCT versions of the engine share common crankcases with only minor external differences. Secondary vibrations are neutralized by the mutually reciprocating motion of the pistons, while primary inertial and coupling vibrations are cancelled by the use of biaxial balance shafts. The water and oil pumps are driven by the balancer shafts. A crank pulsar, with relator teeth spaced at 10 degrees intervals, manages misfire detection, important for OBD2 Euro 5 compliance. In addition, for Euro 5 linear airflow (LAF), sensors in the downpipes give accurate measurement of the air-fuel mixture ratio. TBW manages engine performance and character, plus Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and wheelie control. There are 3 preset modes for the rider to choose, covering a wide variety of riding conditions, and 3 levels of management for power and engine braking, with level 1 delivering the maximum of either parameter. For HSTC and wheelie control, level 3 provides the highest intervention. Mode selection is managed from the left-hand switchgear. An indicator in the instrument display activates when HSTC is working. Honda has sold over 200,000 DCT-equipped motorcycles across Europe since the system first appeared as an option on the VFR 1200F in 2009. Testament to its acceptance in the marketplace, across Honda's model range, 53% of customers chose the DCT option over the manual in 2020. The system delivers consistent, seamless gear changes and very quickly becomes second nature in use. It uses 2 clutches, one for startup and first, third and fifth gears, the other for second, fourth and sixth, with the main shaft for each clutch located inside the other for compact packaging. Each clutch is independently controlled by its own electro-hydraulic circuit. When a gear change occurs, the system pre-selects the target gear using the clutch not currently in use. The first clutch is then electronically disengaged as, simultaneously, the second clutch engages. The result is a consistent, fast and seamless gear change. Furthermore, as the twin clutches transfer drive from one gear to the next with minimal interruption of the drive to the rear wheel, any gear change shock and pitching of the machine is minimized, making the change feel direct as well as smooth. Extra benefits include durability, as the gears cannot be damaged by missing a gear, impossibility of stalling, low-stress urban riding, reduced rider fatigue and, crucially, the ability to concentrate more on riding lines, braking and acceleration points. There are a range of accessories tailor-made ready for the NT1100, including quick shifter with auto blipper function, and aluminium cosmetic panels for the luggage. Urban Pack. 50 liters top box with inner bag, comfort backrest, 4.5 liters tank bag. Touring Pack. Rider pillion comfort seats, comfort pillion foot pegs and fog lights. Voyage Pack. 50 liters top box with inner bag, comfort backrest, 4.5 liters tank bag, rider pillion comfort seats, comfort pillion foot pegs and fog lights. Although the original type approval documents suggested that the DCT version of the bike would come with a higher screen than the base model, it turns out that both versions have the same height-adjustable design. It's got a surprisingly wide range of movement, changing both height and angle across 5 possible positions, and is supplemented by side wind deflectors to shift airflow away from the rider's hands. At the moment, we're still waiting to hear about Honda's plans for the NT1100 in the US market, but the bike seems well suited to American roads and riders. Thanks for watching.